Good day, everyone. If your Windows 11 nightlight is not turning off, we are going to do some simple and very easy steps to fix this problem. And to do that, you need to do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And then we will go to system, the second option. And here under display, we have the option night light. So we will click on that. And please make sure it is turned on and try to turn it off. If it's not getting turned off, what we can do is we will do two more steps to fix this problem. The very first step is to update the graphics driver, and to do that, do a right click, go to device manager, and here we will go to display adapters, select your graphics, do a right click, go to properties, and then go to driver section, see the date on which exactly it has updated, and try to update the driver. Click on search automatically for the update, and if it doesn't work, then try to roll back the driver if the option is there. If you see this option is not grayed out, then try to roll back it and see if that works for you. Alright. You can also visit the manufacturer website to update your graphics driver. And if you still have issues, you need to restart as well. I mean, once you update the graphics or roll back the graphics, you need to update and see if that night light is not turning off or not. And if it's not, try to create a new user account. I would recommend to create a local account and see if that works for you. Because I have found many users who have issue with this. They have created the new account and it fixes the problem. Alright, so do let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.